Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to create a new view in Airtable. First, open your Airtable home screen and select the base where you want to create the view. Once that opens, click on the specific table you want to work with. The table will open, showing your existing views in the sidebar. If the view's sidebar is collapsed, click the three horizontal bars icon at the top left to expand it. You'll see all your existing views listed there. Now scroll down to the bottom of the view's sidebar. You'll see a section called Create with Buttons for different view types: grid, calendar, gallery, kanban, timeline, form, list, and Gantt. If you want to preview what each view type does, you can hover over the buttons before clicking. Click on the view type you want to create. A configuration dialog will pop up immediately. In this dialog, type a name for your new view in the name field. Then you'll need to choose a collaboration type. There are three options. Collaborative means all base collaborators can see and edit the view configuration. Personal means only you can configure and edit the view. Locked prevents collaborators from changing the configuration until someone with creator or owner permissions unlocks it. Click the option that fits what you need. Once you've named the view and selected the collaboration type, click the Create New View button at the bottom of the dialog. The view will be created and open straight away, showing your table data in the new format. Depending on which view type you chose, Airtable might prompt you to configure a few more settings. For example, if you created a calendar view, you'll need to choose a date field for the calendar to function. If you created a kanban view, you'll need to select a single select field to organize the stacks. Just fill in whatever's required and the view will become fully functional. Your new view now appears in the view's sidebar, and you can switch to it any time. All views reference the same underlying data, so if you edit a record in this new view, the change shows up in every other view too. From here, you can customize the view further by hiding or showing fields, or adding filters, groups, and sorting. One thing to remember: if you need to create similar views in the future, you can click the three dots next to any existing view name and select Duplicate View rather than starting from scratch. Thanks for watching.